All right, this is what you do when you're in a hotel room and you need to heat up your food, but you don't have a microwave. So right here, I have my food right here. It's in an aluminum pan right here. I said that. I have some shoes, I have 2 cans of soda, and I have a steamer. Now I'm gonna show you how I do it. I don't recommend anyone do this, but I'm just doing this to show an example of like how I do it. Do not do this. I don't recommend this. Okay? Cool. All right. What I have 1 can, and I put water in these cans right here because I already drank the soda that was in there. And so I put water in here so the cans can have the weight. I'm gonna place that right there. Then I'm going to take the pan of food right here. Make sure it can balance. You see that? Place it on top. And so once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my steamer. I'm gonna turn the lock on. See that steaming out like that. And then somehow get it to balance between the shoes and put it right there. And it's gonna steam right here, and it's gonna steam and heat the food inside of the pan because it has a cover on it. It's balanced pretty well. Let's see what it looks like. Do not do this at home right here. This is just a demonstration to show you what I could do, how it can be done, but there are risks and hazards associated with this. And I don't want any of you to take those risks and have those hazards upon you. All right, you see right there, it's cooking. It's cooking right there. The steam is going. I have a lot of steam going, steam action right here. You see that? A lot of water in there, so I can be steaming that for quite a while. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut to that when it's almost done, and I'm gonna show you how it's steamed, how it cooked. All right. Look at this. This is my setup right here. Inside of hotel room. Right there, heating up the food. Let's get to it. All right, about 5 minutes in, I can smell the food, and so I think it'll be good and heated in about another 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna cut to it. I can smell the food coming out. You know, the smell of the food. You can see the steam still hitting underneath the pan, right there. And there is some condensation or some precipitation going on right here. You see, like the water is coming out, dripping off the pan, and it's going onto the carpet, as well as onto my shoes. So there are some risk involved with doing this, and I don't recommend anyone do this. This is just to show you what I can do. All right, so we're gonna keep on cooking this, and then eat it. So I'm gonna let it cook for about another 5 minutes. You can see the food in there. All right, see the food in here. And so I'm gonna let this cook for about another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna open this up and see what it's all about. Oh, before I get to that, I'm gonna see how this steamer is right here. I'm gonna move it back in this direction right here, this direction right here, so I can get a little bit more even steaming action going on underneath the pan. So that's what I'm gonna do. Move it back. So this is the steamer. I'm just gonna come over here. I'm gonna bring it backwards, being careful, so it steams a little bit more of the pan underneath that. All right. Come back. I'm gonna check to see if the food is good and ready. All right. Let me go ahead and do that. All right. It's been about 10 minutes, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove the steamer. Turn it off. Good. Set this down over here. I think I turned it off. Hold on a second. There we go. Turned it off. And then I'm gonna go ahead, remove the shoes. And let's see what this. Getting down close so you can see this. See this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at that. Nice and hot. That's how you heat up the food. Don't recommend anyone doing this. Hope this was entertaining. Thanks a lot for watching.